having a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are going to make some floral arrangements today. Just a couple small little ones. I went to Trader Joe's and I got some beautiful foliage, some stems. We've got some reds and whites, and I also went to Target and I picked up this pack of pine cones and berry sprigs. I think it'll look really, really cool. I don't know exactly what this is gonna turn out like. I'm assuming that they are going to be beautiful, because when you're using beautiful flowers, how can they not turn out pretty? So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm using my World Market vases. You might remember these from the floral that I did a couple months ago for fall, but we're gonna go ahead and use these vases again because I absolutely love them. I took the floral bunches that were in those vases, I took them out, and because they dried so beautifully, I kept these. And what I did was I just tied a little wire down at the bottom, and I'm just gonna go ahead and keep these, and when we take down the Christmas decor, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these right back into those tubes because they are beautiful. I definitely have a lot here, probably more than what I'll use in those tubes, but I do have some extra vases that I might pull out. We will just kind of play it all by ear. Love this bunch right here because there are a couple of different greens in there that I can use. We've got the carnations in here, the berries in here, and then obviously we've got the pine cones and the berry sprigs here. And these are fake. These are the ones that I got at Target. $3, big old little bunch of them. Love that. So let's just go ahead and dive right in and see what we can come up with. I also bought these as a plant because it was less expensive to buy it like this, so I can just cut these off if I need them. It was a lot less expensive to buy it like this than it was to buy them in small little bunches like that, which was kind of crazy, right? But I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is actually kind of cool. Might not need it, so we may just leave this planted, but we'll see. It's an option for sure. So pretty. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna grab a big vase and we're just gonna throw all of this in it. And then this is what we've got left over from the little evergreen tree. And I tried to cut it so that it at least while it's kind of filling back in, it won't look so funny. But yeah, definitely use the top branches of this and I think it'll be just fine, especially if you look at it this way, and maybe we can put this guy like that. This is what we've got left. Not too bad, not too bad at all. I really didn't use much more of the baby's breath because this is the final vase and it's probably my favorite. I love how this came out. So absolutely gorgeous, but I didn't really think that there was a need for more of that, so we're just going to, I don't know, maybe we'll put that in its own little mason jar or something. But isn't that pretty? And that was basically just the extras. And I also feel like when you put pine cones and berries in any arrangement, it looks like it's very wintry, it's very Christmassy, very seasonal for sure. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, I'd love it if you did. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.